But before we start building, we have to put something down.
We spent many years with development and faced many challenges to get to this point. The roof construction, the wood is more than 100 years old, and we had no other chance than to take it apart and treat it. Thanks to that, we will have it for many hundred years. This will be a beautiful transformation. From this old rainy barn, we will have our new beautiful gompa, around 570 square meters, and finally hundreds of us, we can meditate together in this beautiful, modern, nice atmosphere.
Here we are on the basement level. In this area there will be the toilets, and over there will be the elevator up to the gompa level. Here on the ground floor we will have the kitchen, and over there will be the dining room.
We are here in the east wing. We will have in the basement a storage room for the people who lived here. This will be one of our nicest meeting rooms, full of light, with a nice view to the other side of the lake. We have a dormitory for 20 people. We have a high-tech laundry, and we have some secret rooms in the backs. I cannot speak about it.
We need this wall because the hill is not stable. And if we didn't have this wall, the hill would put pressure on the building and eventually push the building down the hill. First they excavate the earth, then they put metal rods, they drill them into the hill, about 10 meters. Then they spray concrete in various layers to build a reinforced concrete wall, a really strong one, about 20 centimeters thick. We hope it's good for 300 years.